Abandoned School Data College. Disclaimer: Data College was established in 1986.
So yun,
Data
guys,
College started in
dito tayo ngayon sa
1997.
abandoned
Here in
place.
Pampanga,
So
this
yun,
is a
guys,
private
yung
school,
CR.
so this is the only information we have, guys, so we can't find the history of Data College.
Dito naman tayo. So yun, may room dito. So isa rin sigurong ano to, tindahan ng mga cellphone dito. Ganun din, same lang din. So dito naman guys, may mga calendar. Ayan, may bag.